Okay, so it's freezing cold right now, but I'm just imagining that my grasses are growing into the dead blades and I just want to cut it before they get too high. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I got my heated vest on. Here we go. Here's an update on the bleeding hearts. We had a huge storm last night, so everything is littered. Might attempt to use this today. Let's close up on the blade. There's the Miscanthus graziella. There's somebody leaf blowing, sorry, but I need to get this done right now. This is the porcupine grass. There's actually 3 clumps. The fun little grass seeds are holding on for dear life. And then this is the Japanese silver grass, little kitten variety. They're pretty big. This one is taller than me, and this one is half my height. And this one's about just as tall as I am. Nope, taller. Let's see if there's anything growing down at the bottom yet. Doesn't look like it. That little green thing is not a grass blade. I'm gonna see if I can find some twine. There's some. I think this is the same stuff I tried to use last year, but it broke on me. Oh, it broke. Oh, we'll just cut it. So let's see if it works this time. I don't know if I get the whole thing, if I can get the whole thing tied up, but we'll get as much as we can. Oh, broke on me like last time. Okay, probably doesn't need to be super tight, just needs to be tight enough to hold the clump. And try again. There we go. Careful if you do that because I can feel it's like cutting my skin. Okay, I don't know if this is going to work, but we're gonna try. It's pretty woody, so I think it might work. I'm gonna go about an inch or 2 above the soil. Rough. Smells like grass. Okay. I'll show you the results so far. That's what I've cut so far. You can definitely see grass growing in there. This isn't going to be pretty, but it's going to do the job, I think. Definitely some elbow grease needed. muscle spasm. I got in there. Okay, this is where we're at. It's like this size has been cut. Kind of hard to see, but we're almost halfway there. Past halfway, I'd say. Did it. And it's all in one bunch. So these are the results. It's very messy. Definitely not a meticulous method like I've used in the past, cutting them one by one. You can see some of these straws look like they might be dead, but maybe not because they're green on the outside. I definitely don't see any like normal looking or typical looking blades of grass growing yet, but the wood is greenish. And there's definitely a little bit of a mess to clean up. But I'm actually going to leave this for now, so just pretend it's like a straw mulch, because I have other plants growing here that are more fragile and the bunnies eat them, and I feel like the grass actually distracts them from that, or detracts them. But yeah, I can't keep it like that the whole year, so that's foxtail. These are tulips. Those are poppies. This is sedge, and it's actually growing over there. That's how much it spreads. And that, I don't know what it is, but I did plant a bunch of different bulbs here, so hopefully that's what that is. Come back here. So if I wanted to make this look more pretty, I would come back and cut these off. But it's about 2 inches off the ground, maybe 3 in some spots. I don't know if that's a woodpecker, but anyway, it'll be fine. Now for the porcupine grass, and I'm going to do one of the clumps without tying it. See how it goes. That one was not too bad, but it was way narrower. I can hold it in one hand. There's some irises growing down here. Mostly successful, other than one lone grass blade. And now it's all gone. Let's see if I can bend this one. There we go. Can't even see it under the leaves, but it's, you know, not perfect, but it'll do. Ugh, grass cuts.